Support for the Arkansas PBS Writers Contest is provided by the June Hose Williams Endowment.
Hi, I'm Penelope. I'm 6, and today I'm going to be reading my book, Once Upon a Dino Birthday Surprise. It's a week until my birthday. I can't wait. All my dino friends are going to be there. I made a cake. I'm going to open my presents. We're going to do the piñata. I even set up freeze dance, and we're going to play tag. I just can't wait until my birthday, 1 week later. Today is my birthday, but where are all my friends? I made a cake, I made a piñata, and I even set up freeze dance and tag. Mike stomps down to the dark living room. He turned on the lights. Surprise! All his dino friends are there to celebrate his special birthday. The end.